Hello guys, if this is your first time here, welcome to our channel, and to our subscribers, we thank you for your support. This is the second and the concluding part to our last video, a day trip to Strasbourg. I will be leaving link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So you can do a tour, a boat tour, it's 1 hour.
Okay.
And you can go into the nature of Strasbourg, it's really nice, relaxing.
Awesome.
So if you want, you can go and pay.
Alright, let's do that. Thank you.
How many people would you be on the boat?
5 of us.
5?
2 adults, 3 children.
So can I please have an email address?
So our life jacket, quite important. He said without one, you get charged 28 euros by the police. So I want to save my money. I'd rather wear one.
Alright, so 10 minutes after the bridge, you arrive here, which is the only place where you have to make a decision.
Oh, so this is our baby.
Okay, so how the boat works, super easy. Move. That's the red key.
Okay.
You touch the red key, the boat will stop.
Okay.
It's gonna be.
How many kilometers maximum?
Yeah, 6 kilometers.
Ah, so
Against the current.
Okay.
And a bit faster when you come back.
So we can jump and run.
So one of the most.
I know how to.
I'm so hyped to try it.
I'm sure Anibe can't wait to try.
Me too. I was the first one saying I want to. So
Like we two are the last one. After anime.
don't have any rights on the seas, but that was
Stopp, die Reaktion wird zu schnell.
Who is that?
Ja, das ist die Strömung unter anderem
Hey,
hier
stop
unten.
it, stop it. Yeah, turn your hand. Go back. So how did it feel driving the boat?
good.
Is that all you're gonna say?
No.
Tell the people what they are going to experience. When driving a boat, what do they experience? Is it a good feeling?
Yeah.
What is it that you didn't like?
Then it was too slow.
This is not a speedboat. I love it.
Me too.
Like we say it in German, there is no bad weather.
Only bad clothing.
Thank you. So when you're doing this, you should be properly dressed, you know, for it. Captain Arnie Bay.
He got to hang out a bit though.
Yeah, he seems to be the better of all of us.
Maybe all this FIFA playing in the end piss.
Well, this chap just took the boat from me. I guess I'm not able to drive again because every one of them is enjoying the drive so far. But that's what happens when you're a father. It's about them having fun so they can. Oh, they are migrating, the birds. Sorry, I couldn't get it. Oh, another one. Let's see if I'm able to get it. They are so fast.
To be in France, but actually I want to be in Paris because there's baguette.
They have baguette here too. But don't worry.
And there's Mbappé in it.
Oh, PSG. Yeah, maybe one day when we go to Paris, we'll be able to do all of that too.
Yeah!
Yeah? Good.
See how soon we are back already. Every few minutes you see a lot of birds just cruising.
It's autumn and the birds are migrating to the south where it's warm
I
or
do
warmer.
not know if you see that, guys, actually.
Oh wow. Brilliant sight. I'm not sure the camera will do justice to it.
What?
I
I don't know, can you see that? There you go. I guess I zoomed in a little bit. But this is just a small amount. I saw like 10 times that much birds earlier on.
No, don't go.
So we just got to the restaurant and trying to see if we can find traditional food. Let's see how it goes. So for about 20 euros or something, we're able to get a complete meal, and then we're also trying something, you know, that's local to the people here in Strasbourg. We'll let you know how it tastes. Yeah, everybody is hungry after a boat ride, so they are not talking right now. All they want to do is eat.
Mine has wings.
And I can't wait either. After waiting for a while, the food finally came. It doesn't look like Jaden has patience to wait.
Nope, I don't have.
So we actually got two different types. I guess we're just going to start until the rest comes.
Ready? Knife. Das hier steht fürs Zeichen.
Let's finish eating.
Ça va tourner un peu comme ça. Et en fait, vous suivez la rue, ça va tourner un peu comme ça et vous allez tout droit.
Go to the side. This is how the storage gym.
Hello. Yeah, so is this locally produced?
Yeah, we have like a basement.
Ah. This is cool.
No?
I like it.
No, you're not good.
It tastes really, really good.
10 years ago, Daddy wouldn't have liked it as well.
No,
It's like
14 euros. Okay, yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Vielen Dank.
Bitte.
Schon Abend.
Ja. Au revoir. Tschüss.
Ich weiß, das magst du nicht.
Deze.
These are cookies.
Aber das ist kein Brot. Das ist was anderes. I just don't know what it is.
Du weißt.
Was ist schon?
Can I go on the thing?
Unfortunately, it's late. We have to go. You know, we need to drive home. But next time. But there are a lot of it in Germany too, right? What's there? Oh wow! That's so beautiful. See, on the windows are different lights. Never seen anything like this before. This is cute. Beautiful fashion houses, both branded and non-brand.